So for the last video of 2023, I was guessing for a while what was I going to do. Was I going to do a season recap? And I saw some pictures, and I think these pictures speak more than 1,000 words each. And you know, it's very easy to forget throughout the year what physical effort and pain our riders go through, but also the mental effort and the mental challenge that they go through in order to have their body and their mind right in order to chase the dream of either winning a Motogp race or battling for the Motogp World Championship. And I'm going to shut up now and I'm going to let you enjoy the next few pictures so that you can see and get an understanding of, sometimes while it is a glitz and glam life to be a MotoGP rider, sometimes it's not all what it's cracked up to be. But I would definitely love to know what picture resonates more with you. So definitely leave your thoughts in the comments.